in the van with you?
You know, if you go and pick it up and put it, go and pick it up. No, go and pick it up, put it in the bin, and you can't. Look what Seaford did yesterday. Beating it on. Welcome to Manchester, everyone. We're going for a mooch about to see what we see. So on Hare Street, look at all these stickers, and we're going to add to it. There we go. Abandoned Landscapes was here. So in the northern quarter of Carpenter's Lane, some mad graffiti. What would you say that is? Tizzer. And you've got all this here, look. Mad what you see on the back streets. These like old keys in them, you need a code to get in, there's loads of them. What's it for?
Is this way?
You know, if you go and pick it up and put it, go and pick it up. No, go and pick it up, put it in the bin, and you can't.
No English.
Oh, okay.
What's the last one, sir?
Yeah.
One second. No understand. Hade de här sig med automatik och skriver. Hallå. Gör det kapta kasur.
Right, I'm going to use Translate, so
Jó, van, már csak a nevedet kell adni, majd oké, my name. Oké, na. Oké, akkor írja fel.
Nem mondj. Aha. Az a postcode. Ezen.
Akkor mondjál már egyet, te számít.
Beszéljél már vele. English. Yeah.
Mondjál egy nevet.
Walk off. He's going to fine your money.
Ja, money.
Just go and pick it up, put it in the bin, and he can't.
Alright.
Alright, good luck. So if I caught that on camera, then I tried helping that couple stop them getting a fine off the council, apparent council. It's an agency that works for the council. Tried telling them if they go and pick it up, but they didn't speak English, so it was difficult. Couldn't help them out that time. Unfortunately, they've been fined. Oh, quite a fitting name for a bar with the weather as it is. Rain bar. Rain bar, and it's raining. So the police are doing patrols on the back streets of Manchester now. Someone's been arrested here.
I'll tell you in a second.
So obviously they're doing narcotics.
I'll tell you, it says 20th of February, failed to comply with requirements of post-custodial supervision when detained. So wanted for breach of court order. Have you failed to sign up somewhere, or? Right. I'll find out, but you're showing one. So. Got anything else on? Have you got a lighter, lads? Any of you? Yeah, legend.
Part of the service.
Nice one. I just want to ignore it. I can't ignore it, can I? You want it? What do you want to do? Just let you go.
Jag berättar som måndag med. Du berättar som måndag.
Do you want to sit in the van with me?
All weekend. Yeah, I think you have somewhere to warm. Some food.
Yeah, so some of the other down there are moaning about the cameras. Well, literally you got cameras all over the place. That's probably how they got caught, to be honest. So they've let a few others off down there.
What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Tell me, what have I done wrong? I don't know wrong. I don't know wrong. I ain't done anything wrong.
Was that right or wrong then?
I don't know, I didn't see what happened, mate. I just seen fists flying in it.
I said to him,
What
get
was he
yourself
doing?
home safe. Do you know what I mean? And he went, what? Just punched me.
Oh man, respect for that. Stand up for yourself,
Yeah, I was
innit,
trying to help him out.
Alright. Get yourself away in case 5-0 come in it. Mate, I got some of that. He swung for him. See the camera? Yeah.
That's why.
Undercovers there. Someone's been nicked, guys.
Is it over in Town Hall?
Just catching him, getting put in the van, I think. They're searching him now. I think it's just a stop search and they might have found something on him, but they're taking him to the station, I think they said. But he was chilled, he's chilled. Move out the way. Move out the fucking way. 2 of them. We're going to this. That wasn't all for that.
No, it wasn't.
We've gone somewhere else.
They stood down there though, so they could have stood down here.
So they're checking this car, I don't know what's happened. Nothing. Why have they gone so far out? Alright, just head over here. So they can go up on the road, innit? Well, Piccadilly Gardens, you've got the Queen Victoria statue. Look what Antifa did yesterday. Graffitied it all. Welcome to a Sunday morning in Manchester. Walking up Deansgate, it seems the Iranians are doing a protest. So yesterday we had the Britain First march here in Manchester, which was crazy. And today, Sunday, we've got the Iranian march protest against what's going on, the current regime over in Iran. Now these are a lovely bunch of people. They love the camera, which is always good. There we go, some lads joining there. Got a police presence, it looks like. And these marches have just got bigger and bigger. Last week they used flares. We've got the police escorting them at the back. You see all the flags and it goes all the way down to the bottom. We'll walk down the side, show you the size of it. There we go everyone, 50,000 killed in 2 days. Have a read of this. There we go. And it still goes on and on. This is massive, isn't it? Massive scenes there in Manchester. I didn't understand what Adrian was saying there. So we're not even at the end of it. We just walked all the way up. I'm going to try and get to the front because I'll have a big banner up there. this square here, and they'll do some speeches and things.